back again with another vlog. Yes, Lord. It's your boy Boone. So, man, I've been getting in a lot of the comments, man. A lot of people been asking me to do another cleanup and service video, and just so happened I got a new bike and I want to clean it up and service it. Like I always tell you guys, man. First and foremost, as much as you ride, the same amount of energy that you put into riding, the same amount of energy that you should put into keeping your bike clean and serviced, to keep it in tip-top running form. That's the only way you'll stop and stay at the tip of your game, because you riding is only half of the mission. Well, really not even half of the damn mission. Kind of is half of the mission. But the way it goes, man, you need to take the proper care of your bike, man, doing what is right. And so what I'm doing today is I'm going to do a little cleanup and service of my YZ450. Which is Jason. I know you guys haven't really been seeing too much content on the channel of Jason, but I'm gonna start putting a whole lot more content. And by the way, man, I got some more announcements at the end of the video, that I'm updates that I'm gonna keep you posted up on. But right now, let's get into the oil change and service and cleanup. First thing first, man, what you're gonna need when doing an oil change on a YZ450 is an oil pan, a funnel, a ratchet, sockets, 12mm wrench, some brake cleaner, and some oil. That'll get you started. So the very first thing you're gonna wanna do is take your 12mm wrench and loosen the oil drain plug, which we're about to do now. So, then you wanna get you a ratchet with your 8mm socket and loosen these two bolts on your oil filter cover. Then remove your oil filter. Just as I thought, and that happens every time, so don't feel bad. Happen to the best of them. Oh yeah, not to mention you need your oil filter also, and I'll put this in the description down below, in the link down below, so you can know the part number to use. Put this back in the same way that you took it out, but before you do that, use some contact cleaner to clean the surfaces. Be sure to inspect the O-ring that's around it. If you have another one, be sure to replace it with the new one, but if not, feel free to put some oil around this one before you reinstall it. And also put the oil filter back in the same way that you removed it. And be sure to put some oil around the surfaces of the oil filter before you put it back in. So now what we're doing, we're going to reinstall it the same way that it came out. Stick that. It'll only go back in one way, so you don't have to worry about putting it on wrong. Take the two bolts that you took out of it, put them back in. Also, clean your drain plug bolt. Also, be sure that the crush washer around is still in good shape. If you have a new one, feel free to replace it. But I'm using the stock one, so it appears to be in a good shape. So I'll just be using it, but cleaning it off with a little contact. The second half of this equation, as you can see, right there you have an oil screen bolt, and with your bolt that holds it down right there, and that's the actual oil screen. And this is your sight glass. This is how you tell the level of your oil inside of your bike. So right now, I'm gonna move that bolt, remove that screen, and clean it with a little contact cleaner. And after that, replace it, torque it back down, and then fill the bike up with oil. This is the oil screen right here. So you just take a little brake cleaner or some contact cleaner, whichever one you made, and you clean it off and you reinstall it. But also be sure to put one O-ring on the end right there before you reinstall it. Then you reinsert it. Then you put your bolt back on to hold it down. And you're set. Then on this last part where this is where you fill your bike back up with oil. It takes approximately 0.6 quart, which is like half a quart, a little over half a quart, to fill your bike back up. And that's your sight glass. Now, once your sight glass is full, that's when you know your bike is full of oil. So once you fill it up, you get it right above the low level. You crank it and let it run for like 2 minutes. And then thereafter, let it cool off, and then check your oil level again, and if any more is needed, then you add, and then you're done. That's it. And that's the whole process of servicing a YZ450, which is basically an oil change. I'll go into everything else in a later date and a later video, but that's all. So now we're gonna do a cleanup. Bing. Oh yeah, boy. It's the battle of the diesels today, goddamn. Got an old F250 Power Stroke versus old ragged ass Chevrolet.
Oh no, he didn't.
Yeah, hey my guy, you know you gonna die today, right? Boy, no goddamn Chevrolet can't make with no Ford, man. You know that, though. Boy, I'm finna whoop him, boy. Gotta scoot past that windshield, though. They about to go down the big diesel right here. Beat down the diesel. Got the big musty motherfucker right here on the bike. Where we starting to finish, man? That's your wheel, boy.
That light pole to the side?
Hell no. I don't know. Yeah, that about right. I think.
That about right.
That light pole down there to the side?
That light pole down there coming up to the east side right here. That good with y'all?
Goddamn beat down.
You know the start line? I get the finish line.
No matter. God damn, Marcus, you ugly hell.
Man, fuck that nigga shit. I still get me.
Just stinking ass back, man.
I gotta coat my goddamn.
Hell no, car. Don't worry about the car. Don't worry about the car. I'm riding out there with car. Come on, car. Let's ride out here, man. Go get this shit together.
You know what the hell you doing?
Go and let him go first here. So when you build up, they go ahead and take off on this thing.
Side of the road thing I should take.
Take right, get on right. Back up by where he at. Going to make two little dry hits. Check him out, see how he leave first. Going back on up, Cole. Okay, yeah. Come on, man, back up, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it right up. I'm gonna lift my arms up the drop, Mike. Y'all ready? Go. Got him!
Hey, man, I told y'all, nigga.
No, baby! Woo!
Give me that nigga.
Hey, I told you not to let him cut you out the home.
Yeah, I slipped off that one. Hey, nah, tell me not going down right. Nah, I slipped off that one.
That's what I'm talking about. Duramax, baby. That's one, baby. Ryan 2 on the way. He want a rematch. He think I got, man. That's all it is. Simple. You do not bet against me. I always win. Whenever I place a bet, I'm always win. Remember, Ryan 2 on the way. He say he got stolen. I ain't see it. I ain't see it. You got your ass whipped. Yeah, you got your ass tore up. Good right, going down. I taught you well. Y'all ready? Goddamn now. Okay. Oh hell, that's his ass.
Chevrolet, boy.
That's Chevrolet, bro.
Hey, you talking like this?
Did you feel that breeze? Woo! 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 Did you feel it? Got his ass gapped up.
Don't play around with this.
Damn, Gary.
I had him.
Dang.
Hey, why you let your coat dry?
Hell no. I don't do it.
Open the ride, dude.
All right. All right, bro.
You gonna take a hand whooping the ride? Huh? All right, bees, man.
All right, bro. Go get Boone here. Did we bless his ass? Did we bless his ass? God damn. Boy, we got right to the goddamn 100 foot, boy. You were going to November. Get your mustache on. That was the police came in the first place, snitch ass nigga. Yeah, we blistered that nigga, boy. We got back to the 100 foot mark. Man, goddamn, boy. Shit.
Yeah, I had gave him a little jump this time.
No, I'm talking about, man, look here, man. Then he want to run it, man. What's wrong with him, man? Don't put the gaps on there, man. Nigga. Look at this. Oh, bitch. Go, man.
Hey!
You better say a damn thing about no goddamn phone. Man, he just didn't know how to drive, man. Hey, little ugly.
Say shit about no phone.
I'm trying to tell her, dog. Hey, little ugly, tell her. Hey, bitch, you can't talk. I already want that Chevrolet ass, nigga.
I hope this shit motivated you to get one, nigga.
Oh, that Chevrolet ass today, nigga. Tell her, Kiki. Tell her, Kiki. Tell her, Kiki.
Bow tie, nigga. Hey, he whooped Gary ass with class, nigga.
I want your ass. Gary just don't know how to drive that motherfucker, that's all.
Tell him, Kiki. Tell him, Kiki. Slow down. That motherfucking cuz.
And then my motherfucking cuz. Oh, man.
I want to race in the truck. We can take to the can. That's my favorite cuz, too. That's my favorite cuz. Nigga out here, whoa.
A few moments later.
Kiki is going down. Hey, what? Hey, I'll tell you. Hey. I don't know who can win those things. I don't know. I ain't got too much faith in Kiki. I'm just be honest. Hit that bitch, Kiki. Hit. Hit it. What? Ooh, that boy know what it is. Ooh, hit that bitch on the Kiki. Hey, Kiki, now you lose now. You know it ain't no coming back. All right, now, man. All right, now, man.
That's easy work, man.
All right, now, man. Line up, man. Start line that up.
What shit? I ain't no shit.
Take your dumb ass on.
Kiki should win, but I don't know.
I don't know.
I got my money on Matt Block. I got my money on Kiki. Neither one of them. 5-3 in it.
Yeah, he got a 5-3. That still don't mean nothing, though.
How they gonna sign Boone when they come out here?
You won what you didn't win. You won what you didn't win.
That nigga know you tripped me out with that bullshit, though. That's a crying damn shame. That's a crying damn shame, man.
redeem the goddamn Ford today, motherfucker.
Man, that
Fords ain't going all bad all.
Man, that's a crying shame.
Man, you crazy. I ain't studying that shit. I ain't studying that shit. The Ford gonna win today. I ain't studying that shit. He just don't know how to drive that motherfucker, man.
That's a crying shame, man.
That's all.
Boss of that camera do the damn kilo though.
It don't matter. He talking about I ain't beat the bag. It don't matter how bad I said you won, you won. That's all it is. Why you won? I ain't beat the bag. That's what I'm saying. I said you won. I got down now. Too much you waited that whole year for a race and shit. Nigga, you won. Nigga, goddamn. I beat him from the road in the D, nigga. You ain't got no win with me, nigga. You want to roll? We ain't got no. You want to roll? We just roll. Man, we ain't just roll from down there. No, I'm talking about we was on the bypass. We were doing about 50, nigga. Man, that wasn't nothing, man. We had cars, nigga. We ain't got no car. What's your excuse now? I just won, bitch. What's your excuse now? You want to roll now? What's your excuse? Let's do it then. After this, right, I'm telling you now what you want to do now. Yeah, didn't I just say let go? I'm about to try to crank this motherfucker up, boy. I'm going to be dead this time. Man, my truck hot, man. I'll just now your truck hot. W, man. My truck hot, man. I got to let it cool off. Now your truck hot. Yeah, truck hot. You got to forward that why. Truck hot. What about the hell you took, though? I take it, nigga. There ain't no thing in me. I take it. You ain't got no trouble. But they ain't run away like Gary now. You coached them. I'm just saying that. Trying to tell you, let me throw that motherfucker, man. Hey, I knew he wasn't gonna be able to do it.
Hey, you knew that boy was gonna do it.
I knew he wasn't gonna be able to drive that motherfucker. I tried to tell him. I said, cut him off the light. I said, you gotta leave before him now.
Hell no, but I had already school my cousin. Ain't wrong with you. That's my favorite.
I know.
Second time we let him lift first.
Hell yeah.
And you let him lift for the second time?
Hell yeah.
And you still holding on like that?
How many Boone know he ain't had no win?
But they got to the damn 100 foot more. Bye bye. We ain't seen Gary since.
Matt got me on takeoff. Bitch, I got you the whole race. No, nigga. No, nigga. If you jump out there in front of me, sure enough, you got me, though. But I'm just saying, though, you got me on takeoff. Huh? Don't worry about it. I got you the whole race, Marquis. Yeah. You got like you beat me bad. You didn't close the gap now. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. You didn't close that gap. You were looking straight, nigga. You weren't looking behind you. I was looking in the mirror the whole time. Oh, yeah, you was. I had hit them flashes on you. You saw that, though, didn't you? You must think you don't, man. You saw that, man. I think you don't, man. You saw them flashes, though, didn't you? Run it again, then. When you sit by the hour, let the truck cool down. Oh, man.
I don't think that damn, that L sit well with him.
He just took 200 day, that why? Who? I gave him one when we were headed to the shop on the bypass. Man, that wasn't nothing. Then they gave him a nigga. Don't worry about it. I got something for you that weekend. What? That box, nigga. Oh, man, please. That bitch won't even make it down the road. Swell, bring your shit, nigga. How you doing over there talking, nigga? Bring your shit, nigga. That's all you doing, talking, nigga. 34. Anybody finna be here no 30, 40 minutes, nigga? You on Darius. I put 100 on. Nah, we ain't talking about me, nigga. I don't take the air today, but I'm just saying, though. You wanna run me? Yeah, you supposed to be a good race. What you wanna put on it? Better than try to get your W before you try to get some damn money. Cause your record losing right now, so. Nigga, I'm gonna get it, nigga. Hell, he done lost 2, nigga. You done lost 2 today? I'm just saying. Damn, I'm disappointed about the F250, man. I told you already, though. Shut your bitch ass up. It come with experience from one. Shut up, man. Gary can't damn drive.
I mean, Gary got the wrong damn brand, man. I told you that.
I'm a coach, man.
Why you drive, man?
We gonna come back. Damn, I ain't gonna drive that man truck. Yeah, man.
Oh, he might flex on you like he tried me.
Marquis finally gave my damn race. I've been trying to race there for a whole year, man. And it ended like I expected it was gonna end. With the beat, baby.
And my dad gonna tell Matt that he beat me in his black truck.
Yeah. I believe it. I believe it.
I had Matt. I said Matt. Darius was standing right there when he said that shit. I said Darius couldn't have been standing when he said this shit.
He was standing right there. Darius didn't say nothing to him.
My dad ain't beat Darius. I was driving Darius truck.
I believe Philip, man. Philip ain't never lied, man. I don't give a damn what
What the hell?
Philip ain't never lied.
If you ain't got a damn dog with a Cummins in it, you're gonna beat me.
Damn, Darius, you damn my damn goddamn.
That's your big dumb ass enough. So, hey, what's up, my man? Check this out, right? Not to hold you guys too long, but man, I only have like 1 or 2 announcements. About 2. It's 2. First announcement, I will be at Sunnyside ATV Paradise again at November the 16th. And I also will be there this weekend also, which is November the 9th. Those are the two announcements. I will be at Sunnyside ATV Paradise November the 16th and November the 9th. November the 16th, I will be doing another MX race, pit bike race also, man. So I will have Jason, Sonny, and the pit bike, which is the CRF110. Hope to see you guys out there, man. Also, man, follow me on Xbox Live, BOONEBADAZZ, BOONEBADAZZ. And feel free to like, share, subscribe to these videos, man. Thank you for all the love and support. Once again, this has been another edition of Boone Vlog. Over and out, live at 5, and we're gone.